So there's another thing on your notes that I need to explain to you for today. It's called factorial. Okay. So factorial is the exclamation mark. So all it means is if I have 5 exclamation mark, that's 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So it's the beginning number times everything below it. So 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. If you run into something like this, like 21 factorial divided by 18 factorial, we'll realize the top is 21 times 20 times 19 times 18 times 17 times 16 times 15 times all the way down. Well, on the bottom, it's 18 times 17 times 16 times 15 all the way down. That's nice because remember, if we're just multiplying, we can cancel numbers off. And so really all that's left is 21 times 20 times 19. You go to your calculator, 21 times 20 times 19, enter. And it's 7,980. Some calculators have a little button that you can push. So if I did 21, if I go to math in this calculator, it's the fourth one down under probability, and I could go divided by 18, math, probability, the fourth one. It gives me the same answer. So different calculators have it. Your calculator on your phone, I don't know if you turn it sideways, if it has it on there or not. It might, I can't remember. But anyways, that's what factorial means. So when you see the little exclamation, that's all that that means. So if I say find the first 5 terms of an equals 3 factorial divided by n squared. No, let's not put 3. Let's do 3n factorial. So the first term would be 3 times 1 factorial divided by 1 squared. The second term is going to be 3 times 2 factorial divided by 2 squared. The third term is going to be 3 times 3 factorial divided by 3 squared. The fourth term is going to be 3 times 4 factorial over 4 squared. And the fifth term is going to be 3 times 5 factorial divided by 5 squared. So this one is going to be 3 times 2 times 1 over 1. So that's 6. This one is 6 factorial, so that's 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. I didn't think this through when I made this problem. Those go away, but then I left with 30 times 6 is 180. Now they're getting really big. 9 factorial is 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, all over 3 squared, which is 9. So then you'd go to your calculator and do 8 factorial, or 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So 8 factorial is 40,320. This is going to be 12 factorial divided by 16. So I go to my calculator, change that 8 to a 12, divide it by 16. So they get really big. That's why I said I didn't think this problem through very well. So this is 15 factorial divided by 25. So that's going to be a really big number. So realize factorials go up really fast. Even though we're dividing by a number squared, it's just getting, so see there, that's 10 I'd have to move that decimal places 10 to the right to get this number. So anyways, that's what that means if you're supposed to write the first 5 terms, and that's what the factorial button means. So hopefully that helps.